Hello students, today we will discuss about the consumer behavior, in our previous class we discussed about the demand, elasticity of demand, basic economic concepts. But today we start the basic economies foundation. The foundation is consumer behavior. What is consumer behavior? Consumer behavior is the subject matter of microeconomics. We already discussed about the microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics is the branch where we study about the individual, and today's concept is consumer behavior, which is also the subject matter of microeconomics. Consumer behavior is all about the utility. And what is utility? Utility is a want satisfying power. In short, if I describe the word utility, utility is the usable thing. Usable thing, that means if I'm hungry and in front of me there is an apple, clear? So the thing that if I consume that apple and my hunger will be fulfilled, clear? This is the thing is utility. After consumption, what I realize, that is satisfaction. Satisfaction is differ from utility. So we start at the basic concept is utility. What is utility? Utility is a want satisfying power of a commodity. Utility is want satisfying power of a commodity. Want satisfying power. We don't discuss it. What is the want? What good want, bad want? Like we don't discuss about the, we just discuss the word is want. Want is, want either may be good want, either may be bad want. That means if someone satisfied by consuming, by smoking the cigarette, then cigarette possess utility. So by this we have to understand the concept of utility. So if there is an apple, okay, and I am so hunger, and I think that if I consume this apple, my wants, my hunger will be stopped or fulfilled. So this thing is utility. After consumption, what I feel, that is satisfaction. Before consumption, we just assume, we just think that the apple can satisfy my wants, can satisfy my hunger or not. Then the thing is the सोचना, ये सोचना ही क्या है? Utility है. Next, after consumption, the apple can't fulfill, apple doesn't fulfill my wants. Then this will call satisfaction. Okay, so this is the satisfaction. Before consumption we receive utility, and after consumption we receive satisfaction. So there is a minor difference before consumption and after consumption, realizing concept and realized concept. Utility is realizing. That means we don't know about the apple, about the glass of water, that the glass of water can fulfill my thirst or not. Then I don't think, clear? I don't know about the satisfaction. I am just think that if I do that thing and this will fulfill my satisfaction. This will fulfill my want. Then this is called utility. And what is utility? Utility is want satisfying power of a commodity. If any commodity possess that usable thing, that that particular commodity fulfill my wants, then the commodity will possess utility. We does not discuss here about the good wants or bad wants. If somebody wants alcohol, which is injurious to health, alcohol, if somebody wants alcohol and alcohol have power to satisfy the particular human being wants, then the alcohol possess utility. Clear? Hope you understand what I trying to say, that if the commodity, if cigarette smoking gives a utility, gives the want satisfying power, gives the want satisfied of a particular human being, then the cigarette possesses utility. Okay, if apple can satisfy my hunger, can satisfy my wants, then apple possesses utility. Hope you clear the concept. Now we move to our notes. That is, utility is the want satisfying power of a commodity. Clear? So, utility is an anticipated satisfaction. Anticipated means what? Anticipated means that you previously think, you already assume that particular commodity will satisfy your wants. Then anticipated satisfaction. If an apple is red, and I think the apple becomes more sweeter than other, then the thing is utility. But after consumption, the apple can't sweet, apple does not sweet up to my satisfaction, up to my assumption, then this is called satisfaction. So we are here about as utility is an anticipated satisfaction by the consumption. Before antiseptic, and antiseptic word कहाँ use करते हैं हम, होने से पहले हम उसको use कर ले. That means चोट लगी है, एंटीबायोटिक हम use करते हैं कि हमें उस चोट से ज़्यादा नुकसान ना हो, हम बीमारी में use करते हैं एंटीबायोटिक. Why we used antibiotic? Because ये हमें it enhance our immunity, immunity power. Clear? So same as it is, anticipated satisfaction by the consumption. Utility that one individual gets from the commodity can change with a change in place and time. This is the other thing. Place and time के साथ utility change हो जाती है. Why? Because suppose if you give me a blanket here, so blanket have no utility for me, but the same blanket, if I move to Jammu Kashmir, if I move to UT, if I move to Shimla, where there is a cold, there is a enough winter, so the blanket enhance its utility. Clear? Creates its utility. So according to place, utility can be changed. Same as it is time. For example, we can take example of shares. Okay, you possess some kind of shares of company, then shares have no utility till they are no value in market or low value in market. But if you hold them and you wait for the up market, bullish market, bullish that means enhanced market, then the price of shares will rise, and the price of share will rise, then the share possess utility, creates utility. So according to place, according to time, utility differs. Okay, so according to place, according to time, utility differs. Next, for example, or more example if I'll try to give, then in class 10th, for commerce book, for economics book, for accounts book, you have no utility. But in 11th, if you choose the stream of commerce, then the accounts book utility possess, utility creates, then the time utility. Okay. For example, utility from the use of a room heater will depend upon whether the individual is in Ladakh or Chennai. So according to place, the example is according to place. If you use room heater, then it depends if you are in Ladakh or you are in Chennai. So Chennai is a summer weather. So whether heater have no utility, but in place of Ladakh, it creates utility. same as it is whether it is summer or winter, like time. Clear? Hope you clear the concept. What we are discussed today, we are discussed about the consumer behavior, and consumer behavior, the important concept is utility. And what is utility? Utility is the want satisfying power of a commodity. If any commodity possess that power that fulfill my wants, then the utility, then that commodity possess utility. Clear? So we move to our features of utility. The concept of utility is ethically neutral. Again I said that we don't discuss about want of good wants or bad wants. Clear? Good desire or bad desire. We are just discuss about the wants. Wants may be either good or bad. Maybe alcohol, cigarette smoking is injurious to health, which are the bad wants. But if that commodity gives satisfaction to the consumer, give wants a fulfill power of the consumer, then the commodity possess utility. Clear? An apple is keep away from a doctor. So apple is a good wants. Harmful thing like liquor may have utility. It is subjective. It is not absolute but relative. It is subjective. What it means? It is subjective. It means, suppose Mr. Ram we just use the pen. So, suppose there is a person Ram. Clear? So, Ram wants sweets more. Clear? There is a person Ram. Ram wants sweets more. Whereas Mr. Sham doesn't like sweets more. So, for the sweets, utility of Ram is increased, or maybe utility, sweets possess utility for Ram, but sweets can't possess utility for Sham. That is subjective. According to subject change, there is utility also change. Clear? So, we move to our board. So, let it be. We just move to our next notes. Hope you understand the meaning of utility. Clear? So, next, cardinal approach. What is cardinal approach? There are two approaches according to utility. What are the two approaches? That one is cardinal approach and next one is ordinal approach. Cardinal approach is about the given number to the utility. Let's see then an example, like samosa give me a 10% utility, whereas kachori give me a 12% utility. That means you give number to your preferences. Okay? Cardinal means what? Cardinal word says about numerical terms, number terms. So, the group of cardinal approach gives the statement that we can give the number to utilities. Clear? That some goods give certain percentage or certain number of utility to consumer and the other goods give certain utility to other. So, cardinal means to represent in number. Like we move, like we can say that for example, A good give me, good A give me a 50 utils. What is utils? What is utils? Like, for example, milk is measured in liter, cloth is measured in meter, same as it is, utility is measured in utils. if you ask me about what it say, what it say, that is, if you give me a number, you ask me about utils, then I have no explanation because it is a measurement unit. Like अगर आप कपड़े को मीटर में, दूध को लीटर में, then utility को utils में, that's it. So cardinal number, cardinal means to represent in number. Cardinal utility analysis assumes that level of utility can be expressed in number. Clear? Like if A good give me a 50 utils, then B good give me a 30 utils. Like I like Rasgulla most, so Rasgulla give me a 50 utils and Gulab Jamun give me a 30 utils. So utility is represent in number is a cardinal approach. Okay, or what is the cardinal approach? Like there are a group of economists. Okay, some says we can measure utility in number, and some said that utility can't be measured in number. So those persons, those group who say that utility can be measured, there are cardinal approach. They are in cardinal approach. Okay. So we are moved to our example. For example, we can measure the utility derived from a shirt and say this shirt gives me a 50 units of utility, or 50 utils. Clear? Next, we move to our measure of utility. There are two measures of utility, or there are two types of utility. Okay? Actually, there are three types of utility. We can discuss it later, but in your book there is two utility. First total utility and second one is marginal utility. What is total utility? Total utility, if I consume 6 chapatis. Okay, for example, if I consumed 6 chapatis and 6 chapati gives me collectively, okay, like first chapati give me a 50 utils, second one is 30, 20, 10, or whatever you assume. So if 6 chapatis give me a respective number, in respective number utility, and if I sum all of these, then it is called total utility. What is? This is the summation of utility derived from all units of commodity. Clear? Total utility, the name suggests its explanation. Total, that means summation, and utility. Okay, so a summation of utility what? Whatever you consumed, either chapati, either rasgulla, either samosa or kachori, whatever you consumed, if in number of units, and if number of units utility we summed up, then the utility is total utility. As its definition says, it's the sum of utility derived from different units, derived from different units of commodity consumed by a consumer. This is called total utility. Total utility is also known as full satiety. The word is satiety. याद रखना ये point हमारे बाद में काम आएगा. The point is satiety. What is satiety? That is full satisfaction point. Now I can't consume 1 unit extra. So the full satiety point is like I'm hungry and I consume 3 chapatis and my diet is 3 chapatis. If I consume 3 chapatis, then I'm on point of full satiety. Clear? So total consumption. TU is equals to the sum of the total marginal utility. And what is marginal utility is this. Marginal utility is utility provided by one extra unit of the commodity. Like I consume 4 units. So if I consumed first unit, then second unit give me extra satisfaction. The extra satisfaction is called marginal utility. If I consume third unit, the extra third unit give me satisfaction. The extra satisfaction, this is called marginal utility. It is the additional utility derived from additional unit of a commodity. Suppose you and your friends plan a picnic or a party. So 250 rupees each. There is a contribution. Then 5 friends give 250 rupees. Then there is a 1250. If sixth one is increase, sixth one, I am not is about 6, it's sixth one. That means one additional के add होने से if the total is 1500, what is the extra unit give? Then what is the extra unit give? 250. Clear? What I am trying to say is, if there is a change in total, clear? There is a change in total by using one additional extra unit. The satisfaction, the utility provided by the additional unit are known as marginal utility. टोटल में एक एडिशन के आने से जो चेंज होगा वो चेंज आपका क्या होगा? मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. So if I am sum the marginal utility, like for example, if I consume 5 units, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First one gave me a 50 utils, suppose we can assume, so first unit gave me a 50 utils and then 40, then 30, then 20, then 10. So if this is the marginal utility, matlab like if first unit gave me a 50, second one 40, and third one 30, and fourth one 20, and fifth one is 10 utility provided to me. Then what is TU? Total utility is 50. The extra unit is extra unit 1 to for 1. The second unit 40 ऐड कर देंगे, that is 90. The extra unit 30 ऐड करेंगे, that is 120. 120 at 20, that is 140, and 140 is 150. The total utility is 150. Hope you understand. It is the additional utility derived from additional unit of a commodity. It's also known as marginal satiety. Like single unit. Margin means what? The single unit, the last unit. Okay, utility provided. You can also write utility provided by the last unit of the commodity are known as marginal utility. And why we call last unit? Because if I consume only one chapati, then the first unit will be the last unit. Okay, if I consume 2 chapatis, then the second unit will be the last unit. If I consume third unit, the third unit will be the last unit, and so on. Clear? So marginal utility, the addition made to total by the addition of consumption of one more unit of a commodity. This is known as marginal utility. The formula, hope you now see the formula. The formula is mu is equals to TUN minus TUN minus 1. That is like we just, I'll give you the easy formula of this. So we just drop it and I'll give you just easy formula of marginal utility. Marginal utility formula is mu is equals to change in TU upon change in N. That means change in TU may change upon N. That means number of unit may change. Like we draw the example, number of unit 1, 2, 3, 4. So if mu is 50, so 40, 30 and 20. Then TU is 50, 90, 120 and 140. So again if I want to draw the MU from TU, then 50 change in TU, 90 minus 50, okay, change in N is 1, so divided by 1, so change in TU we can use change in TU only because change in N is 1 and 1 divided by 1 is the same amount. So 90 minus 50 that is 40, 120 minus 90 that is 30, 140 minus 120 that is 20. Clear? So, this is the total utility and marginal utility. They are the curve also. So, in our next notes, we move to curve. You understand about the rates? What are the rates? I'll show you. Like we assume the example of a student of a different student of different class, single student in which different class he obtained a mark of maths. Suppose in class 6, 7 and 8. There are 3 different classes marks. First, the marks will be like semester exams or quarterly papers also you may assume, like 50, 100 and 200 in one class. Next class 50, 60 and 70. Next in 8th class 50, 80 and 90. This is the number of a student in maths of 3 different classes. In first exam he obtained 50, 100 and 200. Here the rate of growth is like 50 minus 100 that is 50, 100 minus 50 that is 50 and 200 minus 50 that is 100. It means first of all in all the 3 classes he increased the number from first paper 50, 50, 50, then यहाँ पर 270 and 90. So in first we can draw the conclusion that in all the classes he obtained marks from first test to last test increased, but there is a difference. Okay, what is the difference is rate. In rates there is a difference. What is the difference? Like 50 to 100, 50, 100 to 200, 100. That means here increase with increasing rate. Increase with increasing rate. And how we draw this by the difference. Like 50, the difference is 50 and the difference is 100. Here 50, 10, either 10. So increase with decreasing rate. So, sorry, increase with constant rate. So 50, 60 and 70. Clear? And the next one data is 50, 80 and 90. Here 50 to 80 the difference is 30 and the difference is 10. So here increase with decreasing rate. Here increase with constant rate. Because the difference between the marks is 10, 10, 10. And the first one data is 50, 100 and 150. So here the gap is 50 and here the gap is 150. So, 100. So, increase with increasing rate. Hope you understand. What I am trying to say is there is a 3 rates. Okay, if the data is increased, but in increase there is a 3 rate, may be either increased by increasing rate, either increased by constant rate, either or decreased by, or increased by decreasing rate. Clear? So first one, we just draw the assuming table. After that we consider this also, but we assume that number of unit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So first one TU, like 0 पर कुछ होगा नहीं, तब तक कुछ खाओगे नहीं, तब तक कुछ यूटिलिटी आपको मिलेगी नहीं. So first one is 0, तो 0 पर कुछ होगा नहीं. फर्स्ट पर आपको सपोज 2 यूटिल्स मिली बिकॉज यू आर हंग्री. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन, देन 6, next one is 12, then फिर 16, 16, 18 and 16. Why I draw this number? Because suppose क्या real है, like if I am passionate about the thing of anything. Clear? So first unit give me the more satisfaction, but the second one give me the less satisfaction of first one, and the next one is also give me the less satisfaction. Okay, so this is the process when we consume our first chapati. Clear? So if I consume our first chapati, then it will give me a 2 utils. Why? Because I am hungry still. Okay, but the next chapati will give me a more utils. So here my utility will increase by increasing rate. But after that point, after the point of satiety, after the point of fulfillness, say maybe मेरी डाइट जो है 6 चपाती की है, तो 3 चपाती मुझे बेस्ट सेटिस्फेक्शन देगी, इंक्रीज होता हुआ. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी तक मैं भूखी हूँ, अभी तक मैं हंग्री हूँ. बट आफ्टर द 3 मे बी ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैं पानी पी लूं और उठ जाऊं. दैट इज ओके फॉर मी. बट so the first 3 units will give me a utility by increasing rate, and the next one decreasing rate, because now the fourth one chapati don't give me or maybe give a less satisfaction from the upper one, like 2 to 4, 4 units, 4 utils, then 6. So up to 3 units the satisfaction will increase by increasing rate. That is why the curve is this shape, increasing. Clear? But 12 to 16, that is 4. 6 से 4 हो गया, that means the rate of increase is now convert to decreasing. Clear? Then 16 to 16, 0. Maybe 5 chapati fulfill my hunger. Clear? Or if I am consume the additional one, then will give negative satisfaction, like 16 to 18 increase, sorry, 18 and 16. So 2, then minus 2. Clear? So here if I consume 5 chapati or 6 chapati, and the 5 chapatis, up to the 5 chapati I will receive satisfaction, goes on increasing rate, maybe on diminishing rate. But after that point, if I will consume continue, then this will give me a negative satisfaction or 0 satisfaction, or there is a no satisfaction. Maybe I will draw, here is 18 also. So the satisfaction will be 0. Clear? So up to 3 units, increase with increasing rate. Next one increase 12, 16, 18 increase तो हो रहा है, तो increase with decreasing rate. But after 18 this will give me a 0, and 18 to 16 minus 2, that means negative satisfaction or decreasing. So the curve will slope, first one increase with increasing rate. Now this will the turning point. Turning point from increasing rate to decreasing rate. So the curve is like this. Clear? And the point of full satisfaction is 18. So point of satiety. We can here point of satiety. Clear? And after that, if I carry on, if I goes on my consumption carry on, then I'll receive negative satisfaction. This will lead to decrease. So the curve will downward sloping. The slope of curve will be like this. First one increase, then फिर यहाँ से move होगा. So turning point, then फिर move to decreasing rate, then point of satiety, then फिर decreases. But in no case this will touch to x-axis. क्यों? अरे भाई अगर मुझे वॉमिट हो गई, कंजप्शन कैरी ऑन, कहीं आप चले गए शादी में खाना खाने के लिए, शादी में जब हम खाना खाते हैं, ठीक है, सपोज बहुत टाइम से कुछ अच्छा नहीं खाया होता है और फिर हम कुछ अच्छा खाने के लिए शादी में चले जाते हैं, फिर वहाँ पे खाते रहते हैं, बट after that point of satiety or the point of full satisfaction, if I consumed carry on, if I consume more units, then this will lead to result negative satisfaction. maybe जो मैंने खाया है वो भी निकल जाए. तो अगर एक बार आपको यहाँ negative satisfaction मिल गया तो आप कंजप्शन वहीं स्टॉप कर देंगे ना, कि और फिर नहीं वोमिट करके और फिर खाना खाने चले गए. ऐसा हम नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है. तो the point of satiety, after point of satiety we just take a chance of one extra unit, or if one extra unit give me a next negative satisfaction, then I'll stop my consumption. Clear? So the point is here stop. That is why the slope of curve is first increase with increasing rate. So we are draw here increase with increasing rate, then increase with decreasing rate, then point of satiety, then फिर decrease. Clear? Hope you understand the curve. In this table 20 to 50, this is data 20, then 50, 60, 62, 60 और मे बी उसके बाद ये नेगेटिव चला गया. तो 20 to 50 that is increase by 30 units, increase by 10 units, increase with decreases, then फिर increase by 2 units, still increases, then फिर minus 2. Clear? When total utility represent the total consumption or the utility derived from all units of the commodity, whereas marginal utility represent the utility provided by single unit of the commodity. Like already in first unit I received 20 utils, and second by 2 units I will receive 50. Clear? But only second give me a 30 because 50 minus 20 already receive हो चुका था. Clear है? So 20 already receive हो चुका था. Addition में जो change आया that is 30, that is marginal utility. Clear? Same as it is 60 minus 50 that is 10, 62 minus 60 that is 2, and 60 minus 2 that is minus 2. If the curve is shown is negative sloped, why? Downward sloped, because first one is 20, 30, 10. So ये curve यहाँ पर represent कर रहा है from this one, यहाँ से. Actually the curve of marginal utility, if whole curve I draw, then the curve will like this, MU. You can also draw this like MU. First increases, then point, then फिर decreases. At this point we are on 0. can use the table and I'll show the relationship of both of this, like number of unit, number of unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. TU like 2, 6, 12, 16, 18, 18 and 7th 16. MU 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 12 minus 6, 4, 6, 16 minus 12, 4, 18 minus 16, 4, 18 minus 18, 0, then 16. At the point of full satiety, clear? So, if I show the diagram of both of this in single graph, then this is TU, when TU is maximum, MU is 0, and when there is a turning point like the rate shift, here the rate is increase with increases, here the rate is increase with decreases. The MU is maximum at that point. So, I will draw the curve like MU and this one. When TU is maximum, MU is 0. When TU is at turning point, then MU is maximum. Now the question is arise why the shape of TU is like this, because when consumer is too hungry, then he starts his consumption and he receives utility increase with increasing rate. But after the point of satisfaction or at the point when he enough fulfill, then the satisfaction increase by decreasing rate, and the point of satiety, then there is maybe the utility is 0 or negative. But why MU is this? Like same as it is, because MU is derived from the TU. First one increases, then 2, 4, 6, MU is also increases, TU increases, MU is also increases. But after that point, if TU increase with decreasing rate, then MU starts to falling. Then first one, when TU is maximum, MU is 0, and then when TU is decreases, MU becomes negative. Clear? At never point, if question is arise that at any point TU touches x-axis, no. Because at this point when consumer receives negative satisfaction, he stops his consumption there. Clear? So, अगर ये यहाँ पर 7th unit, clear, 7th unit पर है, then on 8th unit he don't move to 8th unit, he don't consume 8th unit. Hope you understand. So, TU can't touches any of the axis. So, TU can't touches x-axis. Okay? Hope you understand this. So, we move to our relation. This one, the question of 5 marks. So, I will give 5 points of this. You can use diagrams also here. Yeah? Diagram with table. So, what is the diagram? I can draw here. You can draw in your notebook. When you see this, you take this class, you आप लेकर बैठे अपने साथ notebook. So when I'll give additional matter to you, so you may note down that. Like this one is TU curve, and when TU is maximum, and when is the turning point, so MU and this one. Clear? So, when MU increases, TU increase with increasing rate, correct? Clear? Like we draw the table also here, number of unit and TU and MU. So, number of unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, 2, 6, 12, 16, 18, 18 and 16. 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 12 minus 6, 6, 16 minus 12, 4, 18 minus 16, 2, 18 minus 18, 0, 16 minus 18 minus 2. So when MU increases, TU increase with increasing rate, correct है क्या? बिल्कुल correct है, like before this point. Okay, 2, 6, 12. 2, 2, 6, 4 increase, 6 to 12, 6 increase. Increase with increasing rate and MU also increases. So when MU increases, TU increase with increasing rate. When MU decreases, after that point, MU decreases, बिल्कुल show हो रहा है curve में, MU decreases like 6, 4, 2 decrease. Okay, we just on decreases, not 0. So 6, 4, 2 decreases. TU increase with decreasing rate हो रहा है क्या देखें, like 12 to 16, 4, 16 to 18, 2. बिल्कुल correct है. And MU, TU starts with decreasing rate. Next one is MU is 0, TU becomes maximum. MU is 0, TU at maximum point, correct है क्या? बिल्कुल correct है, because in the series of TU 18 is maximum and the MU is 0 here. When MU is negative at this point, TU starts to diminish. Clear? 18 to 16 minus 2. MU, TU starts to diminish. MU may become 0 or negative because it represents single unit consumption and it represents total unit consumption. So, MU may become 0 or negative but TU can't become even 0. जब 0 नहीं हो सकता तो negative तो होगा ही नहीं. Clear है? Hope you understand. This question is of 5 marks in your exam, and I'll give it to you as a represent. Like first of all, you represent like this, 5.5 marks, and additionally you give curve and table also. Clear? So we move to our third utility, that is average utility. What is average utility? Like, I'll draw the table now. Say number of unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and TU is 2, 6, 12, 16 and 18. So AU is what? On an average, utility provided by single unit commodity, like in match, ठीक है? In match, if team scores like 220, so on an average, divided by 11, then 20 run is scored by every player in cricket. But it is real? No. Is it real? No. Because someone who made the century also, someone made half century, someone on 0 out. So this is the fake data, but on an average we can draw this. Okay, so same as it is, if 2 units, 2 utils provided by 1 unit, then 2 divided by 1, that is 2, 6 divided by 2, that is 3, 12 divided by 3, that is 4, 16 divided by 4, that is 4 also, then 18 divided by 5, that is 3.6. So this is AU. And what is the slope of curve? This 2, 3, 4 increases, then फिर 4, 3.6 और इसको बढ़ा लें 6 पर 18, that is 3, it means decreases. So first increases, then decreases, then the curve is like this. When this is on top, this is the highest point, that is 4. 2, 3, 4 up to 4, it is increases. Clear? First of all, you have to understand rates only seen in total concept, not in average and marginal. हम marginal और average में rates नहीं देखते. Clear? हम rates सिर्फ total concept में देखते हैं. The curve of 3 like this, MU and average AU. It can be derived from total utility divided by number of units. Average utility table. Total utility आपको दे रखी है. On first unit 16. On first unit 16. On next unit that is 28. Next unit 36. Next is 40. Again 40. 36 and 28. इधर नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स है 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है. मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी हम ऑलरेडी निकालना सीख चुके हैं. लाइक 16, 28 minus 16, 36 minus 28, 40 minus 36, 40 minus 40 0, 36 minus 40 that is minus 4 and 28 minus 36 that is minus 8. Now divided by number of units. So divided by 1 that is 16, divided by 2 that is 14, divided by 3 that is 12, divided by 4 that is 10, divided by 5 that is 8, divided by 6 that is 6, divided by 4 that is 4. So first one utility 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. इसमें decreases होते हुए आ रही है like 16. Okay. But utility curve of average utility curve is like this AU. Hope you understand the behavior, the concept of consumer behavior, in which we study about the two approaches. First one is cardinal approach and next one we will discuss later, that is ordinal approach. In first one we are consider about total utility, average utility and marginal utility. Total utility curve first increase with increasing rate, then फिर increase with decreasing, then फिर maximum और then फिर starts to diminish. Same as it is MU increases, then maximum, then decreases, 0 and negative. AU increases and decreases but 0 और negative नहीं होगा. AU can't become 0 or negative. Why? The two questions are here. First one, TU can't become 0 or negative. Same as it is, AU can't become 0 or negative. Why? Because AU derived its value from TU. If TU can't become 0 or negative, then AU can't become 0 or negative also. So, AU and TU can't touch x-axis. Clear? Because when consumer receives negative satisfaction on additional by using additional unit, then consumer stops his consumption and he never moves to next unit. So if there is no next unit, there is no further curve. Clear? In next class, we will discuss about the approaches of law of diminishing marginal utility, which is also a cardinal approach. Hope you understand. Note down the points when I taught you. Clear? Thank you.